Mastering secure online shopping is now simpler than ever with your Natwest card reader. When you're ready to make a payment online using your Natwest card, you'll initiate the transaction through your usual banking app or by clicking a secure payment link. This will trigger a request to your card reader. First, ensure your card reader is turned on and ready. You'll typically see a confirmation on your phone or computer screen prompting you to verify the payment on your card reader itself. Insert your Natwest debit or credit card into the card reader's slot. Make sure it's fully inserted to establish a secure connection. Your card reader will then display the essential details of the transaction, such as the amount and the merchant's name. This is your crucial moment to double-check everything for accuracy. Using the keypad on your card reader, carefully enter your PIN. Remember, your PIN is confidential, so shield the keypad from view while you type. Once your PIN is successfully entered, press the green confirmation button. The card reader will then securely process the transaction, communicating with Natwest's systems. You'll see an approved message on your card reader, and your online payment will then be confirmed on the merchant's website or in your banking app. By following these simple steps, you're ensuring that every online transaction is protected, safeguarding your financial information for truly safer banking with Natwest.